This presentation is going to show you how to navigate selecting your 8th grade Connections courses. So you've had an opportunity to experience a variety of connections while you've been here at WebBridge. However, 8th grade is a little bit different. What makes 8th grade unique is that you actually get to select a first and second choice for your connections. And you also have an opportunity to earn a high school credit before leaving middle school. So the 8th grade connection choices for your school year will be Family and Consumer Science, Visual Arts, Connections French, Connections Spanish, Peer Mediation, Languages of the World, Audio Video Tech, Intro to Software Tech, Intro to Graphic Design, which is yearbook, Performing Art, so that's band, course, or orchestra, Intro to Art, and Personal Fitness. The courses in this orangey color are actually courses that would earn you high school credit. You're going to learn a lot more about those in just a bit. So what's a credit? In the state of Georgia, you must earn 23 units in order to graduate from high school. They come in 0.5, which is going to be a semester class, and 1, which is going to be a year-long class. So you can see the credits are based on content areas. So for Connections, you can earn credits as electives in CTAE, Fine Arts or World Language, or in Health and PE. So here's how a credit works. If you take a 0.5 class, it will either be in fall or spring semesters. If you take it in fall, that will include the first 9 weeks and the second 9 weeks. If you take it in the spring, that will be the third 9 weeks and the fourth 9 weeks. If you take a credit class that is equal to 1, it's going to be both fall and spring semesters. As mentioned earlier, there are some Connections classes that you earn high school credit for. Again, those are Audio Visual Tech and Film, Intro to Software Tech, Intro to Graphic Design and Writer's Workshop, which is yearbook, Intro to Art, and Personal Fitness. The ones in green are going to be year-long classes, and the ones in yellow are going to be your semester or your 0.5 credit classes. These high school courses require an application. You will need to apply and have teacher recommendations in order to get into these courses. We're going to learn more about that in just a bit. There are other courses that also allow you an opportunity to get high school credit. That also includes performing arts. So if you're in band, course, or orchestra and you take that your 8th grade year, you will receive a credit of 1. Okay, so let's dig into those high school classes. Up first, we have AV Tech and Film. This is a year-long class, so that means that you're going to receive 1 high school credit. This class is also known as the morning news or broadcasts, and you will be working a lot with audio and video and technology. So here are your options. If you do not take band, course, or orchestra, and you are accepted into this class, you will take it both fall and spring semesters. So that is 1 year-long class. If you do take band, course, or orchestra, that means that you will have fall and spring semesters of AV Tech and Film and fall and spring semesters of band, course, or orchestra. So that means that you would have 2 year-long classes and you would receive 2 high school credits. Up next, we have Intro to Software Technology, which is a year-long class. So that also is a 1 high school credit class. If you do not take band, course, or orchestra, you'll take it fall and spring semester. If you are band, course, and orchestra, you will take it fall and spring semester. You also take your band, course, or orchestra fall and spring semester. So that means you will receive 2 high school credits. Up next is Intro to Graphic Design and Writer's Workshop, and this is also known as yearbook. So this one is a little bit different because you will take Intro to Graphic Design, which is a 0.5 or semester-long class, in the fall. You'll continue a little bit of it into the spring, and then you'll also do Writer's Workshop in the spring, which is also a 0.5 credit. So both of these semesters is going to equal up to 1 credit. So if you do take band, course, and orchestra, this will apply to you as well. Plus, you'll also receive that credit for taking band, course, and orchestra. Intro to Art. This is a semester-long class, so it is a 0.5 credit. So you will take it either fall or spring. If selected for this course, all students, including band course and orchestra students, are placed either first or second semester. So you only take this one semester, not both, and you don't get to really decide which semester you take it. Up next is personal fitness. Personal fitness is just like Intro to Art. It is a semester-long class, so you will take it fall or spring. It's a 0.5 credit, and you don't get to decide which semester you take it. So let's say that you don't want to take a high school course. That's okay too. So this is what your schedule might look like. If you're not in band course or orchestra, this is just an example, 8th grade connections are 6th and 7th period. You would get randomly selected connections, except one of those connections would be your first choice. If you are in band course or orchestra, you will have band course or orchestra 6th or 7th period. Then you'll get 4 other connections courses. 3 of those are random. One of those would be your first choice. So we want to give you an opportunity to explore our connections courses and see what we have to offer and see which of these is the best fit for you. If you go to bit.ly/WBMS 8th Connections, it's going to take you to the WBMS website where there are videos and course descriptions that you can read through. We want to give you some time to really dig deep and to see which of these is the best fit for you. If you have questions about these courses, then you need to go ahead and complete this form. It's bit.ly/8th Connections questions. Now, if you're interested in a high school course, you will need to apply for those. The application is located at bit.ly/WBMS Connections app. You will need 2 teacher recommendations. These recommendations can be found at bit.ly/WBMS Recs. If you have already had a teacher complete a recommendation for web leaders, they don't need to do another one. These applications are due April 21st. So here's the timeline. During the week of April the 10th, you're going to get some time to explore all the 8th grade connections courses, including those high school courses. During the week of April the 17th, if you're interested in taking a high school course, you will need to apply. Remember, you need 2 teacher recommendations. These are due April the 21st. Only applications that are fully completed will be reviewed. April the 24th through the 28th is a selection week, so teachers are going to review those applications and select students who are the best fit for their course. You will be notified about your selection. On May 8th, you're going to choose your first and second choice for your 8th grade connections. Remember, these selections are not guaranteed, but we make every effort to make sure you have at least one of your choices.